We're looking at the crescent moon on the lower right and Venus up at the somewhat upper left area of the quadrant, and further up to the left is Mars, but probably not yet visible. I'm looking at a focal length of 150 millimeters on a Tamron SP 70-150 f2.8 soft focus lens, but not in soft focus mode. Maybe we can just have some fun here and go into the soft focus, see what happens. So that's number 1 on the soft focus. That's number 2 on the soft focus, and this is number 3 on the soft focus. Now, you don't normally mess around with soft focus. Go back to 2 and go back to 1. You know, as a rule for astrophotography, you don't want to mess around with soft focus. You want it to be as sharp as possible. But who knows? We'll see what kind of results that give us. I might even take a couple of still photos to see what it gives. There may actually be some good reasons to put a little bit of soft focus on. Anyhow, just recording this. I'm going to go back to shooting still photos. The exposure, by the way, is a 50th of a second at 5.6. Actually, I think 5.6 and a half stop. And ISO 400. It's actually a bit on the dark side. I should probably go up to ISO 800 to have the sky. Yeah, now that's closer to what the sky actually looks like. Looks like I'm getting some flare there from the street lamps. But we're just basically messing around here. And you know, I have some quite powerful telephoto lenses, but they're basically too powerful for these purposes. You know, if I stuck on a 400, Venus would be out of the frame if I had the moon in it, and vice versa. Even 300 is pushing the limits. 200 would be pretty good, but if I want to get Mars in there, I have to pull back to maybe 70 or something. Like this is that's 70. And we'll just reframe a little bit here, because Venus now is more or less in the middle. The moon is down at the bottom right a bit, and Mars, if it's anywhere, is sort of up in the upper left quadrant of the frame. So let's see if it's possible to get a shot and see if Mars is in this. So we're going to stop video and do some still photos.